welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing a very serious problem in our community. Welcome back. Communities, African and diasporas, we do have so much GoFundMes, too many GoFundMes. There are too many WhatsApp groups where they open up to raise money for our friends, colleagues, and loved ones to help to sustain their income or their lost income due to sickness, death, or accident. All these GoFundMes, most times they end up not helping to solve those problems, because how much are you going to get in the GoFundMe that will keep your family for 2, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year? It's very difficult to do that, to sponsor your family with a GoFundMe. There are several reasons why most of these things happen in our community. Our people are ignorant of some of the financial systems placed in this country. For example, the probate court. Our people do not know what a probate court is and how it functions. A probate court is that court that has jurisdiction chiefly over the probate of wills and administration of a deceased person's asset, or you call it estate. Estate means all the money, bank accounts, all the assets, houses, investments that a dead person has. The court takes over those things to try to apportion them correctly. These things include paying off your student loan, mortgages, car loans, any debt that you are owing, credit card loans. They have to clear it off. They are clearing it off. You don't have access to those things. There is no money in that person's account that you can withdraw. So this keeps the family members frustrated because they cannot get any money. If the person that is sick or dead is the breadwinner of the family, that means nothing can happen. The other person cannot get access to the money. So you get frustrated. You start looking for help. You start creating GoFundMe. You start creating WhatsApp groups. The probate court takes a long time, sometimes 6 months, 1 year. It depends on the process. And also from that money, they will also pay lawyers who are doing those processes for you. And after all those things, the remaining money is what they will transfer to the beneficiaries or the families. So this leaves us with nothing, little or nothing. This is one reason our people have so many GoFundMes. The second one is not having a good insurance. Our people go to get jobs and they are offered dismemberment and disability insurances. They do not read what is inside it. They just sign the policies and move on without knowing what is inside. All these disabilities and dismemberment insurances, they insure the part of your body that is important to them, that you work with. If it's your hands, if it's your leg, if it's your eyes, if it's your ears. And whenever you have an accident or you have anything that affects those parts of your body, they will pay you. So let's take it that your hand is affected and they insured your eyes. That means no money for you because your eyes is still there. It's your hand that is missing. If they insured your hands and your legs are not there or has a problem, they cannot pay you because your hand is what is insured. Some of our people do not know all these things, so they write it off. So when they have any problem and you go back, they will tell you, we are not owing you any money. This is what is insured. Disability insurances is something that they will pay you like half of your salary for 3 or 6 months and they will cut it off. When it's time to cut it off, they will call you and tell you, thank you so much for serving us. We're so grateful. You were a good employee. You were good, and we want you to go back and take care of yourself. And that is it. You've lost your income. What do you resort to? A GoFundMe. If you don't have a good insurance that will cover you up and cover your family up. Third one is not having a long-term care. There is something called a long-term care that helps you out when you cannot do your 2 daily activities. This includes brushing your hair, bathing yourself, wearing your clothes. All those things are daily activities of a human being. If you cannot be able to do it for yourself, this insurance will pay you for it, will pay you money. Some of them will pay you 20% of what you insured. Some will pay you 25,000. Depends on how your policy was constructed. Our people do not know that. When their job is terminated and no income coming, they resort to GoFundMe. People will start giving you $10, $20, $30. That will amount to nothing. Your mortgages are there. Before the sickness even kills you, psychologically, you're dead. The last one is allowing the default system to deal with our cases. You will say, bata, it doesn't mean anything. I can manage it. I have the money. Let them do it that way. When the system starts to deal with you that way, you will lose money. And it will take time for them to finish it up. Court is something that takes time. The default system can do anything. Sometimes your assets or wills will not go to the right people. Your children will be there with no money. Your children will be there, they can't go to school. You will leave them miserable. Do you want to do that to your kids? Do you want to do that to your loved ones? You need to have a backup. The only way to avoid this probate court is to have something called a beneficiary designation. This helps you to transfer your wealth to the next generation, to your loved ones, without going through any court. And some of the examples of beneficiary designations, it's 1, life insurance, 2, security accounts, 3, bonds, saving bonds, 4, retirement accounts. There are so many other ones. Please do your family a favor. Please do your children a favor. Do not leave them miserable. Do not leave them crying. Do not leave your family gasping for air, begging for money. Become beggars because you're no more, or because you cannot go to work and bring in the money you used to bring in. Please prepare yourselves. Get all these things done. And when these things happen, you will sit down and relax. And your children, your family, will not go through this crisis. Thank you so much for watching my channel today. Thank you for subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day. Remember, I am your financial professional who will tell you how it is. Thank you so much. Do have a blessed day.